Hi guys, welcome back to Steffi Creates. Today I'm going to show you a project I've been working on. It's just making some embellishments for my journaling and whatnot. The first one I'm going to show you is this rosette. I got it from AliExpress. So here is the die, and it comes with 3 top options. And this is a picture from AliExpress. I always have a picture of what the die should look like in my thing. I just print it out on cardstock and stick it in there. So I did not do the heart one. So what you do is you take one of the toppers, and what I did is I taped the back of it so that it was touching, and then I ran it through my die cut. So I did this one and this one. I ended up cutting them 4 times so I can get this big rosette. So this is this one. I just did solid paper. It was my first time doing a rosette. Yeah, so it's huge. This is the other one I did. I did another solid. Yeah, it's coming apart because my cat was playing with them. Anyways, so this is this one. Again, this one was, I did this one first and this one second. It was pretty difficult to get it to go, and honestly I don't know what I'm going to use these big rosettes for. I'm not sure if you can make it with just 2 or not, so that would be the next thing that I would try. It is very big. So that was that one. And sorry this video is coming late. This project took a little longer than I thought it would, but I didn't want to rush myself. Yeah, this magnetic is so flimsy. I got it on, it's either Ali or Timo, and I'm not really a fan. Alright, the next one I used, I don't have a picture of this die, but I do with this one. So I did these 2. This is a picture from Ali showing you what the die looks like. This is where I went. I went a little crazy. I did quite a few of these, but I absolutely love how each one turned out. So there's this one. Put this off to the side so it's not trying to focus on that. This one. And this is my first time making these, so if they look crummy, I'm sorry. They're going in my journal, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. There's this one. Super cute. I love this ribbon. And I'm not going to say this one on every single one, so I'm just going to let you guys see them. So that was all of... Nope, here's the other one. Alright, and then back to this one. And again, like I said, I love how each one turned out so pretty, and I cannot wait to use them. And the last one of that one. This is the same as the other one. I just didn't do as much. And then this is the ones I layered. So there's this one. this one. Sorry, I said I wasn't going to do that and I'm doing it. And then for another project, I thought I was going to use this as the background, and I'm drawing a blank on what I created. Anyway, oh yeah, I'm an idiot. It was my first ever card I was making for someone's Happy Meal, and I thought I was going to use this as the background, and I did not. So I had already cut two. So this is this one. It doesn't have anything on it. I didn't decorate it. Figured I'd leave it blank, and then when I'm ready to use it, I can do it. But then the other one, I used this die and this one. And this is how that turned out. And I can't wait to use that in a project. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. Probably in a journal somewhere. But anyway, so that's that one. And it doesn't seem like a lot, but it was a lot to create. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get inspired by the different stuff I created. All right, see you guys in my next one. Bye. Have a great day.